Yes, sir.
Good evening, Mr. Sharam Das.
Yes,
Please
sir.
tell us about yourself.
My name is Sharanas Das. I'm coming from Palakkad, in Kerala, and I'm pursuing my M.Tech in Computer Integrated Manufacturing in NSS College of Engineering, and I'm second year student. I've done my B.Tech in the same institution, and I was 2020 pass out. And after my B.Tech, I have worked in a private company for 1 year and 9 months. Later, I have joined back to M.Tech. I have done my schools in Bharat Mata School in Chandra Palakkad itself, and I have a sister. Studying. She's actually studying in Pondicherry, Central University. Yeah, and my father is working. His name is Shivadas. Actually, Sharon S. Das is S. Das is short for Shivadas. Yeah, he's working in IT, Indian Telephone Industries Limited, Kanjigod, and my mother is working in United Breweries, Kanjigod, as executive HR. Yeah.
Excellent. You don't have to tell the name of father and all that in the
Okay.
interviews. And then while talking, you were talking nicely, but the flow was being affected. Thoda or be you can talk with still more confidence. And please practice doing it. You don't have to tell Palakkad, Kerala, because you are talking to a person from Federal Bank who is very much familiar with Palakkad, Kerala, and all that. There is no need for telling that. For with me, it is okay because I am not from that place. Otherwise, the introduction was okay, not bad. Now, the question that will come to you is that look, Sharan,
Yeah.
after studying computer integrated manufacturing some program,
Yeah.
why are you coming here?
Sir, actually, I was doing, as I've told earlier, I was working in a private company, and I was into management side. So actually, I was in good contact with my professors here in my college, and one Mr. Kiran sir. So I've talked to him, and he was like, if I joined this M.Tech, even though it's a computer integrated manufacturing, he can guide me through this management field. So that's why I came back and did my M.Tech.
What was the work you were doing in the private company?
Sir, I was a production administrator. Uh, Actually, it was a SME. So, like the work changes. If there is a shortage of people, I have to do all the work. So, means
What
most
is
of
it?
the work.
What is it you were manufacturing?
It's a mat, sir, door mats.
Doormats. Good.
Yes.
Excellent. Right. That question. Next question will be, what are the subjects you studied in you are studying in integrated manufacturing?
Yeah, actually, the main objective of our M.Tech, actually, the syllabus has changed in like 2 years back when I was joining. So the main objective of our program is to guide us to a like strictly professional way. So the subjects was like project, like how to do a project, and then how can you start a company. All these things were there, and obviously, as it's a computer integrated manufacturing, CAD was there, and mathematics was also there as a subject.
No, were you told about how computers have to be manufactured? Were you told something about that?
No, no, no. How
As
computer?
as as a layman, when I heard the name of the program, I thought you are being taught about manufacturing of computers or
No, sir. No,
laptops.
no.
No.
It's not like that. No. As we are advancing, like everywhere is computerized, right? So using computers, how can you improve the manufacturing? So that's the main outcome of the course.
Certainly, there will be a doubt or question about this. So that's right. That's okay. Fine. And for the question why you are coming here, you can also and who are the people who may take you? Supposing Federal Bank is not taking you for this, who are the other people who will be coming for campus recruitment?
Sir, for campus recruitment, L&T has already come. They have already appointed some people, and then we will have Bosch, then Infosys, TCS. Every IT companies will be there.
Oh, IT companies will be there. Acha, acha, good. Now, what do you know about banks? What are banks doing?
Sir, banks basically means accepting deposits from customers, from the public, and giving advances. That is a definition of banking.
Good. Now,
Yeah.
which bank are you having account?
Sir, Paytm.
Only Paytm.
Yes, sir.
I'm really surprised. Don't you have account with another bank, commercial bank?
Actually, I had an account in HDFC, but I'm not using it. I'm using Paytm only.
HDFC bank account, you have closed it or it is there still?
It is still there, but I'm not using it.
But you are supposed to maintain minimum balance. No?
Yeah,
No.
of 5,000 rupees. Yeah.
So you are maintaining.
Yeah, yes.
Oh. Then I suggest you are telling about HDFC rather than telling Paytm. If you tell Paytm, the problem will be they will ask who is the Paytm founder, when was it started, what are the functions they are doing, what are the conditions for starting a payment bank, and what is the minimum maximum amount you can keep in payment bank, and how payment banks are running, what are the other businesses they are doing. Likewise, so many um,
Yes.
tough questions will come. I can easily ask, but I don't know the answer for even 50% of these questions. Except that I know 100 crore is required for starting a payment bank. And there are 6 payment banks in our country. This much only I know. Whereas regarding Paytm, um, I don't know when
Its
it was
founder
started.
is Vijay Shekhar Sharma. Vijay Shekhar Sharma.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and what are the other functions they are doing? That we can see from this. But then, if at all you want to mention about that, you tell that as a second one. First one be HDFC. You
Okay.
try to know about HDFC.
Fine, sir. Yeah, I'll note it, sir.
HDFC has got the advantage of being the topmost bank in our country.
Yeah.
Please get to know some details about who is the MD or CEO or chairman of HDFC, then how many branches are there, some rare ideas, and what are their various. You go to the website and know what are their deposit account. Briefly, their
Yes.
question will be mostly on Federal Bank. So this is Paytm.
Yeah.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
Paytm. Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, I this is my suggestion. I do not know how you feel because here if you come, I will ask questions which you cannot answer. That
Yeah.
much difficult area is that. If you go to HDFC, maximum they can ask is what is the speciality of HDFC? It is one of the domestically systemic important bank, topmost bank in our country, and it has been included in the some top 10 banks in the world also, something like that. You please go to Google and search and about get to know about
Yes.
it. That will be better. Good. Mr. Sharan, please tell me the job role of a probationary officer.
Sir, probationary officer actually head of the banking branch, and we have to see to the customers if they are comfort, like if they are okay with everything, and if a customer comes in, we have to treat them. That's one of the main thing in the job description. And then that's all I know about it, sir. I
No,
need to
no,
check on that.
sorry, you have not prepared.
Yes.
You have not fully prepared for this.
Yeah.
Please read.
Yeah. Customer acquisition, business survey, augmentation of para-banking income, and assisting the team in achieving all the business targets of the bank. Front-end customer-facing role to meet the expected standards of external and internal customer service. rendered by the branch by ensuring process standardization, timely service, uh, inculcation of customer-centric culture, and strong operational controls in accordance with the quality standards of the bank. Ensuring customer delight by personally attending the customers who visit the branch and assisting them with the banking operations and functions.
You told only this point.
Yeah.
Uh,
Providing financial solutions to customers to find an appropriate banking product as per their need or requirement, to meet and exceed their expectations by offering assistance through cross-selling of banking and third-party products, handling retail operations of the branch, example, sales and processing of liability and assets products, cash operations management, front office management, managing on-site and off-site ATMs, a strong room operations, passing of checks, issuance of demand draft, ATM cards, and checkbooks. Working towards achieving the business targets of the branch as well as the assigned individual targets by continuously enhancing the relationship with the customers, meeting prospective customers and adding them to the existing client base. Assisting in digital transformation by promoting various digital products offered by the bank among the customers, liaison with senior official or peers of the branch and ensure that the day-to-day operations of the branch are well executed diligently, adhering and complying with various audit and quality norms, standards of the bank, developing a learning attitude for self and motivate others by consistently updating with various policies of the bank and trends emerging in the global financial market. Learn people management, develop a capability to manage his or her own team in future. Any other works allotted for the time?
that's not required. See, actually, this much big is there. It will be difficult for you to report everything. What you can
Yes.
do is you can tell briefly. First
Yeah.
point is customer acquisition, business survey, and augmentation of para banking income for the bank. Number two, taking part in the front end customer facing role to meet the expected standards. Then ensuring customer delight by personally attending to each of the customers, satisfy their financial solutions for their problems. Then handling retail operations of the branch like ATM, strong room operations, etc. Then also working towards achieving business targets of the branch for the self and for the branch. Then help the branch in digital transformation by guiding customers and also keeping an excellent relationship with superiors and subordinates and see that day-to-day works are done properly. That's all. I have told the very same thing briefly.
Yeah.
So you listen to the video again and you will get to know, you will make out your own answer also. Good.
Okay.
Are you aware where the further questions are given? I think you were there in one or two of my classes where
Yeah.
I told you about this A 2023 Federal Bank interview questions. You are aware of
Yes.
that?
Yes, sir. I have read it. Like
Very,
the first
very good.
40.
Yeah. How would you do sales?
Sir, the question: how would you do sales?
Hmm.
Yeah, actually, first I need to learn the market which I'm going to do the sales and what is my product. That would be my first priority. And after learning the market and the product, I would check for the demand. So where is this product applicable and what is the demand? Like which demand are we satisfying with the thing we are selling? So obviously in bank it would be some policies like
No,
policies or
instead of telling vaguely like this, you can specifically tell, I will study about the various deposit and loan schemes of the bank. For
okay.
example, fixed deposit, recurring deposit, gold loan, housing loan, and car loan. I will study about them. And after studying, for example, after studying about car loan, I will find how to increase the sales, that is, increase the number of loans by keeping in touch with the local dealers to get the addresses of people who are interested in buying cars, and then get in touch with them and try to sell our product after fulfilling the KYC formalities. Supposing you want to tell about housing loan, then you have to tell in detail. You would have seen it in some other videos. Like I will try to find out, I will keep in touch with the local construction agents to find out who are all the people buying houses and contact them and tell them about the salient features of our bank's loan product and fulfill KYC formalities, collect necessary papers like application, then salary slips, then in the case of business firms, last 3 years balance sheets, then title deeds. Then I will get the title deed verified by the lawyer and subsequently get the property valued by the engineer and then take up the proposal for consideration. Like that, you must speak something in relation to banking instead of openly telling, I will know about the product, I will learn about the product, then I will find who is going to buy. What is the fun? Do you understand my point? You are telling like this because you have not gone through the Federal Bank's website to know about the various products. If only you go through the various products and get to know the features, you don't have to go through all of them. Select some 5 or 6 of them and be thorough about them.
Yes.
Whenever we speak, we should speak with example and with reference to banking, with reference to Federal Bank.
Yes.
Good. Did you go through the website of Federal Bank?
Not yet, sir. Not yet.
Oh, Baba, there are a lot of things you have to study. You have to know this details. Please read this. Don't.
Uh,
This is the business as on 31st December 2023.
okay.
Your interview is going to be on 1st.
Second, sir. Second.
Second, Babri Bab, problem hai. Then you have to meet me on first night also or watch my videos because they will be asking questions relating to budget.
Okay.
So I will tell something once it comes on the papers or in the website. I will read out them and I will tell them. You get to know about the budget also. They will most importantly ask what is the important features of the budget that has been presented on first.
Yeah.
So shall I book for you at on first? Um,
So we have already scheduled one mock interview on first morning 9 o'clock.
shall I postpone it to 4:30? For 4:30, I have given for somebody. I will postpone it to 6:30 p.m.
Okay.
Then only you will be able to know full details about budget and all. You can come to me after going through that, after going through Federal Bank website, after get going through this content.
Yes,
Now
sir.
read what is this content. Read from here. You
Uh,
read Federal
Federal
Bank.
Bank announced the financial results for the quarter end 31st December 2023. The key highlights of the result on a YOY basis are as follows. Total business of the bank reached rupees 4.39 lakh crores. Total deposit rupees 2.39 lakh crores. Total net advances rupees 2 lakh crores. Net profit highest ever at rupees 1007 crores.
1 minute.
Operating profit
I will delete this also unnecessary. Continue.
ROA for Q3 stood at 1.39 uh, and ROE stood at 14.80. GNPA and NNPA at 2.29% and 0.64% respectively. Highest ever net interest income.
This also not leave it.
But, yeah. Federal Bank share price as on 27/1/24 rupees
1 minute.
145.
Today I should know what is the price.
It's 145 yesterday. It was 145 yesterday.
144.85. Good. You told correctly. What is today's date? 30th.
Yeah, 30.
144.85. And market capitalization is
Yeah.
353.1. 1 billion. Please read from here. Federal Bank share price as on
Federal Bank share price as on 30th 1 24 rupees 144.85. Market capitalization rupees 353.1 billion. Tangible net worth rupees to 28,080 crores. Share capital rupees 484 crores. CRAR 15.02 percentage. Capital risk weighted asset ratio.
I'll put it here because it is confusing.
Yeah.
Correct. So you have to read this again and by heart and also go through other questions. What are the questions they are asking and prepare for your answer. You did well. Your confidence level was good. Whatever you were knowing, you were able to talk nicely, but the area is vast. Anything they can ask. Try to use the time available before you for watching as many videos as possible. Attend today's class also and go through the questions that have been asked. Okay,
Yes.
and come again on first evening.
Evening 6:30. Yes, sir.
Best wishes. You did well, but I
Thank you.
expect you to do still more better.
Yes, sir. I need to gather some more data. Yes.
And be in the know of current affair news, whatever I am sharing. Are you a member of newspaper group?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Please follow the newspaper. Not everything, at least one or two, and
Yes.
some tidbits I'm giving every day. Go through that also. Okay.
Yes.
Best wishes. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.